Good morning, everybody. Acre of Love Homestead here. My name is Kimberly and welcome back. We are gonna do a couple of different things today. I finally got this chicken house built right here. And last night I caught my 2 rogue chickens. So I need to get these 2 guys moved and put them in the coop. And then, I think we're gonna bring out our little pig and let him kind of explore into this area. But first we gotta get those chickens out of there. So, let me see if I can go in and catch them. Hopefully I can. We'll see. She's gonna freak out because she's been very rogue for a while, so. But there's no way for them to get out of here. Unless if they fly up and go through this thing, which I hope that they don't. I don't think they will. And I should have got my net, but yeah, I probably should have got the net. Because she's quick. I'm going to have to get my net. And then that means that I'm going to have to go find the net. Oh, I see it. Hang on. Give me a second here. Whoops. So I hope everybody had a good New Year's Eve and everybody was safe. I didn't do anything. I stayed in my comfy bed watching TV. All right, let's see if we can catch these guys. You're fine, you're fine. It's not a big deal. Just relax. And bam! I got one. Okay, you're fine, you're fine. Relax, relax. There you are. There you are. Look, you're fine. So, that's her. She's, I'm pretty sure she's Americana mix. She got little green legs. But I'm pretty sure, because I know she lays a blue egg for sure. And then I need to catch her little boyfriend. I would like to be able to catch both of them at the same time. I'm pretty sure I could do it. Let's try. Come here, boy, so you can go too. And then I've got one more rooster out too that I need to catch him. He's the one that I want to keep. I don't know if I want to keep this rooster. Gotcha. I got you. You're fine. You're fine. Relax. Relax, buddy. You're fine. Relax. Relax. You're fine. You're fine. Relax. I need to do a chicken day here pretty quick because I got quite a bit of roosters. But I do like him because I think he's part copper marron because he's got the feathers on his feet and he has the coloring too. Except for the fact that he's got he's only got 4 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Might be part silky, who knows. I'm trying not to get stabbed with his talons. Hey, bite me. What's wrong with you? You do not bite. Don't you bite me in the face. Today could be the end of you. We're going to take him over here. We're going to drop him off in the chicken house. Huh. You're an ornery little thing, ain't you? Bite me. I'm just trying to keep you so the hawk don't get you. Because the hawk got my other one. Or I don't even think it's a hawk. I'm pretty sure it's an owl. And a great big one at that. Ducks. Ducks are in their area. The geese are gone. I sold the geese. I got tired dealing with geese. So we only have ducks in there. They seem very content. This is where we have our chickens. I haven't been letting them out for the fact of that owl, and I don't think that everybody knows that they need to go in here and go to sleep. But get in there. There's no escape. Oh man, my thing came off. Hang on. Okay, no. So that's the chicken coop. Y'all have seen it before. Just winterized at the moment. In the spring and the summer, we'll take all that off. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to let them come back out here to this area. I would like for this to grow grass again. And then maybe let them out. Not quite sure what I want to do yet. But I do know that for now, they are not coming out of there because I don't need to lose any more than what I've already lost. But that's the ducks. Uh-oh, dropped my knife. Oh, that's the ducks. I gave them fresh water yesterday and it's already icky today. So I haven't gotten any eggs off of them at all, so I'm pretty sure they're going to wait till spring. I also need to get a different tarp to put on top of that. Chickens I've been getting, I got 4 yesterday, so we're back up. So we are back up to a good amount. You know, at least we're getting eggs, is my point. Because I wasn't getting any at all. We're going to go over here and we're going to check on the baby chickens right quick. So this is the area where we have our baby chicks. Quail, I've been getting 4 to 5 eggs a day. But baby chicks, oh, I need to show y'all because I have 2 very cute ones in here. Let's see if I can catch it. Come here. Nope. If you've never seen a turkin baby, here you go. Now, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Hang on, hang on. I have 2 of them. 2 of them hatched. And they're so stinking cute, it's unreal, aren't you? Say hi. Say, I'm a chicken. And I have no fur on the back of my neck. He almost looked like a buzzard. I have 2 of these. One's like a Araucana mix looking. There's a lot of black ones in there. Very few colored ones. But this guy right here, this is the main dude right quick. If I can get this up how I want it to go up. Hello, Mr. Pig. What's him doing? Eating your breakfast? You're spilled your water. And you got stuff in it. Okay. You want to come out for the day? Huh? You want to come out? Yeah. He's getting friendlier and friendlier, which is a very good thing. But he needs to come out of this box today. So he hasn't had any exercise. So he needs some exercise. Right. So you need some exercise. I need some. Oh, goodness. You're going to fall over. I wonder if I can pick him up and the camera, too. This is going to be interesting. Come on. I need to pick you up, buddy. I need to pick you up. I'm going to let you out for a little while. Okay, so let me figure this out here. If I can get my stand to open up, I can probably just grab him and then grab y'all and we'll go let him in. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I know, you're fine. You're absolutely fine. But he's super cute and very grumpy. And we're going to take him. Hold on. We're going to go this way. I know. Just hang on a second. We're actually going to go this way. And we're going to drop you off into that area. I'm going to have to get it out of the sun, though. So we'll have to move it a little bit. Let's put him in here. I know. Look. Go. Go, buddy, go. You're too cute. He's like, oh, look, that's fresh grass. I figure I could keep him in here for a little while. Don't think he will try to escape. He might try to escape. I'm not quite sure yet. But he's right in the sun, so I might need to put something in there for him to go in or move it over. I don't have enough people to move it over right now. Oh, you're fine. Tail just a wag. Look, he's in his thing now. That tarp is scaring him. What? You might have to see if we can move it over some to the shade. Maybe this way a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's Mr. Pig. He's in his area for for a little while, at least for today. I would like to start getting him out every day so he can just kind of be in here. Just to give him some exercise. Don't want him to get too fat. He's gonna go check everything out. He's figured out he can't get out. Put his water bowl in there. He seems to like it in there, right? Huh, Petey Pig. Tell me, Pee-Pee. You tell me, Pee-Pee. You can't get out here. No, he can't get out. Tell me here. Tell me here, tell me here, tell me here. I know, you can't get out there. You gotta stay in there. I'm gonna get you some water. Well, I'd be kind of curious to see. I was about to say if the girls are gonna come up and check him out. They can't get all the way over here, but they can see him. Don't go in between that because I already fixed that because of you. Yeah, she's curious as to what he is. That's not your mom. He might think that that's his mom whenever it's not. May have to put them up. Just so he don't tear up that thing. He is throwing a fit now. Y'all sound weird. Might have to put them up, that way he don't mess up that fence. Get down, Porker. Technically, they're not even supposed to be out. They opened their gate. And as y'all can tell, we are missing a cow. So we are down to 3. The other one's on the other side of the hay bale. But we're down to 3 now, and then soon we'll be down to 2. Let's go do a garden check. Let's go over here. We're going to do a small garden check. It's been so nice lately. It's been really nice lately. So I've been able to get seeds started and like all different kind of stuff. I don't know if we're going to get... We got 2 frosts back to back. I thought I lost my broccoli, but I don't think I did. All this is still kind of doing whatever. This cabbage head actually right here, this one right here is actually doing really well. It's getting big. That one is not because something keeps eating it, which is very unfortunate. And then my onions are going. Got 2 to 3 rows of onions. And then I picked some of these yesterday and I put them in the farm stand. And then I picked some radishes too to put in the farm stand. But the most important thing I want to show y'all is what I've been working on. While I haven't been really making any long videos, I've been kind of busy. So I've had that big pile of mulch out in the front, and I've been slowly working on it. I've been slowly working on the garden also. So I want to show y'all what I've done. So if y'all look here, I've been putting down mulch in between the rows. Hopefully y'all can see that. The sun is awfully bright. I've been putting down mulch in between the rows of the gardens. That way no grass can really kind of grow in between there. We don't have to worry about mowing, you know, stuff like that. But I got it all in each one. And then I also put it straight down the middle. So I'm hoping that, you know, this will kind of, if it rains or whatever, it'll kind of go down some because I have it kind of high, but that's okay. And then I spreaded most of that mulch here. I'm gonna go today and I'm gonna buy a bag of seed, like grass seed, and plant right there, and hopefully it'll come up in the springtime. Hopefully I can water it every day and it'll come up in the springtime. That's what I'm hoping. Then I got these big cedar logs that I got to figure out something to do with them. Yeah, so it's another task. If it's not one task, it's another task, you know. And then this is that broccoli. Whenever we got down to low temperatures, you know, it did do some damage on the leaves. So I don't know if she's going to continue producing anything or not. It might, and it might not. And then the cabbage seems like it held up fairly well. They're getting, you know, they're getting about, that's probably about softball size maybe, or baseball size. Not softball, it's baseball size. And this one also, this is a broccoli. This is a broccoli, but hasn't made anything yet. And this, sadly, is my cauliflower. It did not do well with that freeze. I thought about just picking it, giving it to the pigs. I think they'd like that. Eventually, I'm going to get my dirt in, and that way I can top these all off with my dirt. I do have 2 more coming. It's not like these are different, but I have 2 more coming because I'm going to utilize these. I have more of these bags also, but I'm going to put those other 2 containers that I have coming on this side here and plant flowers in, because this year I would like to have an abundance of flowers. All this stuff seems to be doing fine. The frost didn't really do much. Maybe here, that could be from water. But if you see down in there, we got a pretty good sized carrot. I thought about picking it just to kind of see what it looks like, but I would like for it to grow a little bit more. But I need to get all my other bags out too and start filling them up, figuring out where I'm going to put them, what I'm going to do. That's kind of, oh, I hear that pig screaming. I'm going to have to put them girls up. But I've slowly been burning this from underneath. It looks really cool. Almost looks like a stove. But I don't know what all to do with all this cedar. I thought about putting it on Facebook, see if somebody want to come pick it up. But I got all that heel down. I'm so glad that heel is gone. Good Lord, I don't know why I do that every year. These are the 2 new raised bed gardens that I got. I finally got them put together. I put a little bit of mulch down the bottom, and I did empty out my compost bucket in here in each one. And then I'll top it off with some dirt, you know, later on. That's kind of, and then I got my arch in, got my other arch in. And I had my garden planned out this year. I'll have to take a picture and put it somewhere in here. But that's kind of what we're working with this upcoming growing season, guys. I'm really excited about this, and I hope y'all follow along with me. Because we're going to have, you know, it's going to be a pretty good adventure, I think. And if you like going on ventures, I'm the channel to watch. We do a lot of different stuff here. But that's it, guys. It looks great, I think. Can't wait till it's full of luscious food. That's kind of what's been happening here lately. So, guys, don't forget, you know, we welcome y'all to come and watch my videos and, you know, watch our channel. And I really appreciate every subscriber that we have, everybody that watches. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully we can continue to grow on our channel. We're up to 380 subscribers, which is great. You know, we're slowly climbing up there. I would like to, you know, by the end of this year, I would at least like to be up to at least, you know, the 500 mark. That would be awesome. So everybody, you know, like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will see y'all in the next one.